needless controversy.
Katanat social welfare kan sawanra biang yakitup ikerteng na kabanta bantung ikisong knor batamay jong kya Women's Commission hadin ba ikong pidalia toy ila syaweng no kum ikisong knor jong kami State Commission for Women. Habakran bat kilap thai kubor menteri badai kami yakani katanat ilaong ba ikong pidalia toy imlong syu ibabit ban bat biang yakakam kum isong knor namar ba imshim ladan bental tang hagajing ilap election. Henry kat kum ki kendon ide ru benesim bentalang ha kumbalai teli kijing yalang jong ka board bat ilapep na kisal le kijing yalang kat kum uba pol ka jing tung ya kisang knor kam dei bandan jing dei bat ka kam san perthai
About her being involved in an election campaign, but according to the rules she is supposed to attend at least 3 meetings of the board, and she has abstained from 4 meetings, and therefore she does not qualify to be chairperson any longer.
ka Indian Association